Hi guys, right, just having a bit of a clear out of equipment. Here we've got a brand new EMF detector. It's a great alternative to the K2. It's got an audible alert. You've got different types of modes. So you've got RF, you've got LF magnetic, and you've also got LF electric. So just let you see the box. As it says, it's very small and light. It can connect to your PC and it can be a data logger, so you can log data on your PC and on your tablet. It's also got an internal LiPo battery that can be recharged. You can also turn the annoying bleep off if you wish. All in all, these devices cost about $130. I got this from Rad Meters. That's from the guy who designed it to try it out. Paid full price. I'm looking for about £75. So if anybody's interested, just pop me a line and I'll get it posted out to you. Okay, whilst I've got your attention, obviously all our equipment at infraready.co.uk can be viewed on our website. Okay, so if you like and share, it'd be much appreciated. Hope you all have a great weekend. Thanks for watching.